This is the blizzard of 2009. It started a couple days ago, and we've gotten about 15, 16, 17 inches of snow. As you can see, this house over here, all the way down, is covered. It almost covers the whole window. You can see all the snow. You can see my little artwork in the snowbank in front of my garage on this Christmas Day. It's about 6 feet high. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere right now. Here's the garages. There's a little light for you. And I thought maybe I might be getting out, but as you can tell, I'm not getting out anywhere. You can see I was going to start shoveling, but I said, you know, that's a lot of work. And here in Cherokee, Iowa, the blizzard of 2009 on Christmas Eve, we had about 8 inches before, the day before, and now, as you can tell, the blizzard of Christmas 2009 is real. Look at how high them drifts are. As I walk along, here's a sidewalk. No sidewalk there. And I keep walking, and these drifts might even be thicker and bigger than the others. You can just tell how much snow we've got here in the past couple days here in Iowa, Cherokee, Iowa. And you can see the baseball diamonds over there. And it's, to tell you the truth, it kind of sucks, you know? I mean, it's good for snowmobilers, but it's not good for me, you know? It's not good for people who don't like winter. Look at that drift. And as you can tell, it's still snowing. Still snowing pretty hard. But, you know, what's Christmas without snow? And as you can tell, it's just unreal. Snow's hitting my face right now. And by the way, if anybody wants to buy this place, it's for sale. Just don't hire my rent, because I can't afford it. And like I said, I walk back over. There's Ma's window right there. That was from our last winter storm. Footprints in the snow. Where do they go? I'm going to put this on YouTube. Hello? Say hi. Hi. There's my artistic work. You like that? And then I'll show you something before I shut this off. Uh-oh. What the hell? Look at this. This is inside my garage door. And it was closed. Look. You got a little beep, and it falls. Anyway, there's all the cars. There's my name. Jesus. I gotta make this fast. I'm gonna show you my motorcycle. It's a 2007 Honda Interceptor. Hasn't been started about a week. We're gonna see if it starts. So you can hear it. Christmas Day 2009. There it is. That's a Honda for you. So start right up. There she is. These are the days when I miss summer. You guys miss summer? Anyway, as you can tell how high that drift is. It's about 5 foot high.